In this video, we will show you how to disable enhanced signs in Windows 11 laptops. Okay, in here, I'm using the NVIDIA graphics, but the enhanced signs is maybe more fit with AMD Radeon graphic card. But this is very similar. To disable these enhanced signs, okay, you can right click on your desktop if you're using Windows 11 and click show more options. And in here, because my laptop using NVIDIA graphics, so the option there is NVIDIA. But if you're using AMD, you can select your AMD control panel. Please wait until the NVIDIA control panel is open. Okay, then on the NVIDIA, the enhanced signs on Manage 3D Settings menu. Just click this. After you click this, you can just scroll down and find the enhanced signs that's similar on NVIDIA. Okay, on NVIDIA, the enhanced signs is named with vertical signs here. You can make this off, okay, if you want to disable this. Okay, like that. And if you want to re-enable again, you can just select the use the 3D application settings or using on adaptive or whatever suite with unit here. And on the AMD graphic cards, to do that is you need to open your AMD Radeon control panel that we just show you. Okay, on the desktop, you can right click and select the AMD control panel or AMD software, whatever the code name, and you need to go to the gaming tab and choose graphics and select enhanced signs, and you can switch it to off. Okay, maybe for Intel, for AMD, and for NVIDIA is a little bit different for the menu, so you need to explore them. That's our tutorial how to disable enhanced signs on Windows 11 laptops. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.